Yo, what's up guys, it's Truly or Truly Fail, whatever you want to call me, really, I don't really care. But here I'm showing you how to sound like Che off his latest album, Rest in Bass. I did cover the song MDMA in the album. It was like one of my favorites, so I was like, fuck it, I'll do this. It's pretty good. I like it, solid. Anyways, play a song.
MDMA, yeah. That's how I know it. That's how I know it. MDMA, yeah. I'm just too potent. Let's go on all in. Turn up, we got a limited band.
You feel me? That bit kind of fire though. That bit low key fire. Okay, I like that song. Okay, my fault, I'm blading. But anyways, I'm gonna just show you guys the presets. Put my raw vocals. I haven't heard these. Might not sound the best.
MDMA, yeah. He's so on the leg. He's so on the leg. MDMA, yeah. I'm the 2x10.
Ooh, sound like the last video. These vocals are ass. The vocals are stinky. So what we gotta do? Oh, we just turn on these presets. Turn on these presets. Let's see how they sound. See how they sound.
MDMA, yeah. This so on the leg. This so on the leg. MDMA, yeah. I'm the 2x10. This is going on in. Turn up, we got a limited bands. Okay, I don't got hoes, I got bunnies. Playboy bunnies, okay. I don't got hoes, I got bunnies. Playboy bunnies, yeah. Play for lit, I drunk it. Sunday to Monday, yo. We got the whole girl jumping, yeah. Let's get know what they want there.
You feel me? You feel me? This bitch is, hey, this preset low-key fire. I'm not gonna lie. Not low-key, it is fire. Now, everything will be free, so don't even worry about that. If you just want the Che presets, there will be the first link in the description. But if you guys want a more completed mix, my master preset will be $10 on my website. Basically, it just makes your songs sound more bright and more polished, if that makes sense. I'll just give you guys a quick demo so it's easier to understand that way. So here's what the master preset off.
MDMA, yeah. This so on the leg. This so on the leg. MDMA, yeah.
Like, you feel me? Like, that's not bad. Like, that's pretty fire. But it's missing something. You know what it's missing? A master preset. Let the master preset talk for itself. My fault, master preset. You got the talking stick.
MDMA, yeah. This so on the leg. This so on the leg. MDMA, yeah. I'm the 2x10. This is going on in. Turn up, we got a limited bands.
Okay, you feel me? Like, that bit fire. That shit. Okay, so basically, it just brings out the vocals more, sends it the bass, makes the beat more alive, makes your vocals more alive. So I fuck with it. But if you guys want the whole Che FLP template, it comes with my vocals, the FLP Che presets, and a template. So it's literally drag and drop, and you just go into your mixer track, press record, like whatever your slot is in, and it's literally that easy. And everything's there for you. All you gotta do is find your beats, find the key. It will be $15 on my website. Drag and drop, really easy. Everything is stock in the master preset, other than the Yulin loudest meter, which you can find online for free. It's really easy. I can show you right now. So let's just search up Yulin loudness meter. Woo! Oh wow, the first one. And you just click download your set. I'm not gonna download it because I already have it. But yeah, that's the only thing not stuck in the master preset. So if you're wondering where to find this, it's right here. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm not gonna lie, I hope this preset video helped you guys in some way. I love you guys. Hey, let me know who to do down in the comments. If you do buy the presets, show me some songs that you did with it. I would love to see that shit. That shit's pretty fire. I love you guys. Peace out. If anything goes wrong, contact me at trulyfail on Instagram. Peace out, man.